What's up, gang? It's your boy Nas, aka MotoBroo. As you see, we got a whole squad out here. We got mini bikes, freaking race bikes, quads, dirt bikes, everything y'all want out here. Let's get it. Yeah. I don't know what he was saying, but I think he said he watches the videos. That's what I got from that. But yeah, we're out here cruising, bro. We're just with the pack. Let's get it. Just vibing, bro. Having a good time. Shoo! We're outside. Bro, it's the gnarliest thing ever, bro. Let's go! Damn, that's my hand, dog. Bro, all the two-strokes right now. Woo, he did that. He did that. Y'all seen that, bro? Y'all seen the quad, bro? He almost freaking front over that man. Woo, big quad out here, bro. Oh my god, that was 2 times, bro. Yeah, you going through it, bro. You're really going through it right now. Banshee versus Banshee. Let's see some work on that 110. Right off the start. Woo! Flexing that. Let's go. Yes, sir. We outside. How you doing? Chilling. Dude, that thing is too clean, bro. You getting used to it now, or? You getting used to it? Hey, let's get a little clip. Bro, the 2022 YZ85, bro, that thing is clean. Yes, sir! Yee, bro, I love two-stroke. I should have brought my two-stroke out here today. The boy's about to be racing, dog. Bro, look how close they are to each other. It's a little scary, I ain't gonna lie. I think homie with the Yamaha won. Bro, I don't know how I touched his hand. Yes, sir. Ah! Yes, sir. On the two-stroke. Let's get it. The two-stroke bogged out right there. I was like, bro. You trying to race or no? Yeah.
The clutch plate slipping. I mean, I'll race, but I mean, the clutch plate slipping.
Let's do it. I'm not that good at launching, so. Are y'all twins? Yeah. Let's go. That's fire. We racing, bro? Let's go, bro. Line up. Hey, you go and then I'll go. Yeah. Let's do a roll. A roll. Woo! I look at this, bro, I'm like, oh my god, this is the best thing in my life. It's so scary. Homie on the left got it. Let's go. Yes, sir. Chilling, bro. Yes, sir. Bro, I haven't seen like a Supermoto dirt bike in a minute. I feel like this generation of like Supermoto dirt bikes is coming to an end, and it's just straight dirt bikes now. And a lot of you guys ask like, yo, why don't you like the Supermoto wheels? And it's, you can't swerve, bro. It's like more for a straight line or like turns and shit. Let's go. You like the Supermoto wheels?
Not really.
No?
I mean, it was cool when I first put it together, but I kind of want another dirt bike.
No, yeah. I was saying, like, I don't see many dirt bikes with Supermoto wheels anymore. Like, I feel like that is sort of like coming to an end.
Yeah.
Because I remember like 5 years ago, everyone had a dirt bike with a Supermoto.
Yeah.
I just don't like it because it's hard to like turn. Like, yes. All right, we're on a sport bike. This is the homie who was on the sport bike, but now he's on the YZ big 450. Totally different like riding style compared to a sport bike. Alright, Lord. Yeah. What's up?
I need you to bless it.
I'll try it, yeah. Getting it. Dude, I missed my two-stroke. Yes, sir. Boy, hitting the power wheelies. Dude, I have no idea where we are. We're literally lost in this field. Look at that, XR80, that's freaking tight. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, stay motivated. We got merch in the description down below. Shout out to 150 for not blowing up. I love you, gang. Till next time. Peace.